Do you understand why I'm curious? Do you realize that all it takes to get paid is to click a button and view a video? What if you receive payment each time you liked and commented on a video? By efficiently completing this many activities on your phone or a short period of time each day, you can start earning money online. You could send the money to your bank to have it in a digital currency, or you could withdraw the money through PayPal. I mean, wouldn't it be great? In the video I'm sharing with you today, I'll introduce you to a website that very few people are aware of and walk you through the best free strategy. Don't worry, you can view our website from anywhere in the world because it has no national restrictions. If you follow me all the way through, I'll even give you a bonus tip that will make you money without any work on your part. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Since this is a new website, please pay close attention because I don't want you to miss any crucial. Look at this page again, and you'll see that there are 5 various ways to monetize this website. Start by browsing websites, watching videos, and watching advertisements. Next, participate with online media by watching, sharing, and perhaps commenting on videos. You can also respond to polls on particular subjects. If finishing your academics is your thing, you can even do it. This is the best tactic for novices, but stay with me because I'll give you a few pointers later on this video. Let me now show you how to use any device, including your computer or smartphone, to view the site. Let me give an example of how this actually functions, as there is no requirement for money or investment and it works in every nation on earth. Choose an acquisition strategy first. There are several options for the best way to bring money to the site. Here you can review all of your alternatives. As you can see, there are 5 incredible approaches you should use before starting the job. You can get compensated using this strategy every day. Don't you think that sounds amazing? Therefore, all you need to do to establish a free account is click the registration button, which will direct you to this page. You may observe the record starting method you select. Even if you can sign up with a Google or Microsoft account, you can also establish a new one right away by tapping the password and email sections, then clicking the button. Your dashboard appears here. You will see your earnings directly here along these lines once you have been directed to this website. Since this is a new account and you haven't started any work yet, you're starting from scratch. When you begin earning money, it will show up here at the top of your dashboard. You have now started the account setup process. Check your mailbox for the confirmation link to finish the process of creating and activating your account so you can start making money. I need you to click Earn to get back to your dashboard and be taken to this page. You can use any of the installation methods I showed you in the video. So let's look at the main one, which is to browse website, place bids, and take part in promotions. To access the page where you may start browsing promotion and earning money, just click the Earn button. Now, a pop-up window similar to the one above will emerge when you click on Procedure once more. Now, regardless of the device you're using, you can surf the page for the allotted period of time while making sure to move about a bit. By doing so, you may prove that you are a real human performing the task and not a robot that has been programmed to do it. The money will be credited to your account after the countdown expires. Here are some additional advices. When watching a standard YouTube video, all you have to do is hit play and keep watching for as long as the clock says. You will forfeit the money if you stop watching the video before the allotted time has passed. The subsequent technique is to leave a message through online communication. You'll be taken to this page where you can leave a number of businesses, including YouTube and Instagram. When you click on Procure, you may watch videos, subscribe to channels, and favorite videos on YouTube. On Instagram, you may follow accounts and like posts. Simply click a few times to get paid. No skills are necessary. I'll provide an illustration by playing a YouTube video for you. Press play and wait until the timer goes off to start watching the video. Another piece of advice is to turn down the video quality to the smallest setting to save data and speed up the video playback. Another tactic is to work on reviews and comments or finish surveys. In case you haven't already spotted it, the website's domain name is paidwork.com. You may start making money online from anywhere in the world by downloading it to your iOS or Android mobile. I'm going to make you wait until I give you this bonus tip. You can introduce friends to Paid Work and receive a 12% reward by using the referral program. Simply copy your referral link and distribute it to others. If not, be on the lookout. Another reward suggestion is that you can get paid through this other website. The name of this one is Coinbase.com. There is a Earn Crypto button on the homepage. You can make cryptocurrency money at this page by clicking that, which will send you there. Simply watch videos to earn money while learning about cryptocurrencies. Examine the payment they will give you for each video. As an illustration, click Start Course to be directed here. You will get compensated for watching each of these instances, each of which will be condensed into short, easily digestible videos. You can see that by watching these films for this length of time, you can make this much money. Additionally, you can refer friends to the website and receive $50 in return. You can keep making money over and over again by just starting anew after finishing one course and watching another. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.